Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix low GPU usage in games. First of all, what you have to do is open your control panel by clicking on the search bar on the bottom and type control panel. Now go to system and security. From here you'll be able to see an option called power options. Click on it. Now here you'll see some choose or customize a power plan. Now there's some custom plans if it's selected on balanced, but I will recommend you if you want a high performance for GPU and each and everything, you have to select high performance. You can also go to change plan settings and you can change advanced power settings. You will see PCI Express, power management. There's also an option called processor power management. If you drop down, you will see minimum power processor state and maximum processor state. You can also tweak that as well. Settings are, if you set it to high performance, it will be 100% on both of the states. So from here, once you customize it and set it to high performance, then you will be able to fix your low GPU usage in games. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.